Hi crafty friends, I am so excited to share my first release of a new product line, a premium 12x12 scrapbooking layout kit. Now this one features Graphic 45's beautiful Adventure Awaits collection. It includes everything that you need to create 4 double page layouts. So that's 8 finished scrapbook pages included in one kit. Now the goal with these kits is simple. I want to offer a premium scrapbooking experience with high quality materials, thoughtful designs, and everything that's prepared for you. Whether you're preserving camping trips, hiking adventures, family vacations, or your favorite outdoor memories, this kit makes it easy to create beautiful pages you will treasure for years to come. Let's take a closer look at everything that's included in your kit. Layout number 1 is boat dock layout. It features chipboard pieces, the journaling cards, cut aparts, twine, and of course the beautiful Graphic 45 papers. And here is the second page for that. Every one of the layouts does have a title on it and multiple chipboard pieces. I use distress ink on my chipboard rings to give it some added texture and to make it look like tree rings. I didn't add anything to my trees, but I am thinking about coming back in and adding something to it later. This one is called Catch of the Day. It has fish on it. Now, if you're not a fisherman, you don't have to add that title. You can put something else on the page. I do have additional chipboard titles available on my website. If you would like to substitute something, you would just purchase that and swap out those titles. Outdoor Adventures. This is the main image on the paper. I just loved it. I've got some cut aparts here, and of course that tree ring, and then the twine here. And the second page, lots of photos here. Everything is open for photos to slide behind when something is on top. I've got some journaling spots here. And these are the beautiful 8 layouts, but let's talk about what comes in your kit. I've already pre-cut all of the papers for you, so they are sorted by layout, and everything you need for the layout is in here. The Graphic 45 papers, the photo mats, the twine, everything is ready to go except for the fussy cut pieces. I did ink the edges of mine, so you would do that separately. That is not included. That way, if you don't like that look, you don't have to worry about that. You can personalize this however you choose. In addition to those pre-cut papers, you will get chipboard. Now there are 6 chipboard sets in this kit. You get the tree rings, the outdoor set, Catch of the Day title, Outdoor Adventures title, Adventure Awaits title, and the Great Outdoors title with multiple pieces included. These can be inked, they can be painted, they can be used as is, however you would prefer to use them. And these ones, the letters actually would come out so you could color the letters different than the actual outline itself. Additionally, you will receive a printed assembly guide that includes links to the YouTube videos if you prefer to watch a video, but it also has written instructions so that you can spend your time creating instead of measuring and cutting. Simply pull out the pieces for that layout, follow along with the guide and the YouTube video, and create your wonderful Graphic 45 Adventure Awaits layouts. These kits will be available exclusively on my website, so you can find that link in the description box below. There is a limited number. If these are popular, I will consider adding additional ones to make sure that you are able to get one. I would love to know what kind of adventure you would use these layouts for, so please feel free to leave me a comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching and happy crafting.